afternoon and welcome. Thank you for providing the opportunity to share our business idea with you. My name is Janos, and with me today is my business partner Zoe, and together we are very excited to share our plans with you. Our suggested business is registered as a partnership to minimize startup costs and for legal purposes. We have chosen a business that will be manufacturing a sports health drink bottle called the Mountain Range, produced by our company Everest Purity. We believe that everyone, including children, adults and seniors, should have access to healthy purified water wherever they are, whenever they need it, and should not have to pay a premium for constantly buying bottled spring water. My business partner Zoe has over 20 years experience in human health research, and it is our intention and our aim to educate the public on how important it is to drink the correct water.
Most people rely on the convenience of just filling up their water bottle from the main tap. However, little do they know they could be drinking fresh, purified water from our Mountain Range bottles. Tap water in Australia is not all as it seems. The so-called purified system adds nasty chemicals such as chlorine and fluoride, both of which have been shown to have severe health impacts on the human body when exposed over time. Fluoride is an ingredient that was used often as a component in the gas used by Nazi Germany. So why on earth would you want to drink that? This is where our specially designed water bottle filtration system comes in. The Mountain Range purification bottle would be the only affordable fine drink bottle to completely remove fluoride and chloride from the tap water. Using a specially developed carbon coconut filter that traps 99.99% of contaminants including carbon dioxide, chlorine, fluoride and aluminium. Our bottle removes what man has put in and adds back what nature originally added. The filter has a composition of minerals including iron, magnesium and potassium, ensuring the water coming out of our bottles is as nutritious as the water straight from the natural spring.
Our bottles will come in a variety of designs and colours, from funky colourful kids designs to sleek modern contemporary designs showcasing brushed aluminium and chrome accents, and all bottles will have an 800ml capacity. Along with eye-catching design, we intend to market our product with advertisements on Facebook pages, as well as a 15-second radio commercial every week on Mix FM, as well as billboards and displays from our kiosk.
Our operations will be based from a kiosk at Chadstone Shopping Centre, which will also act as our advertising space with displays and billboards, as well as being our retail outlet. We have EFTPOS and cash systems available, taking all major credit cards. The store will run mostly by myself and Janos, as well as 2 casual employees who will be hired for 2 to 3 shifts covers per week and excess coverage during peak trades such as holiday and late night trading. The bottles will be supplied from a trusted contractor, Ping Pty, who are also located in Shenzhen, China. They are contracted by us to manufacture our product to the highest standards from quality materials. The finished product is then shipped and delivered to us once a month, from which we will keep the excess in Janos's garage at his residence. We inspect each bottle personally to ensure they are free from defects during shipping and manufacturing. Our kiosk is capable of holding 300 bottles and we will be refilled each morning by us based on the sales of previous day. Store hours will trade 9 to 5 Saturday to Wednesday and 9 till 9 Thursday and Friday nights to ensure we are gaining as much exposure as possible. The business operations will be handled by Janos and myself. This includes orders, emails, taxes, advertising and customer inquiries. We aim to reduce our impact on the environment by using biodegradable packaging, recyclable materials and water-saving taps on our kiosk.
Our major competitor will be Filter Pure filter bottle, which retails at $59 Australian. And unlike our bottle, that bottle does not resupplement the water with nutrients and minerals. The Mountain Range bottles will be priced at $40 Australian, and which that will put us below our major competitor while offering more value for money, as well as a capital contribution of $30,000 together with Zoe. We will be taking on a business loan from NAB Bank of $100,000 on a 5% interest rate per annum over a 5-year term, repaid monthly at a rate of $1,887 inclusive of interest. Our supplier, Ping Manufacturing, charges us 16 Australian dollars per bottle manufactured. Our shipping expense is $1.50 per unit, leaving us with a profit after shipping and manufacturing of 56.25% per unit sold at full retail price. The renting expense in Chadstone for our kiosk is 52,000 Australian per annum and is prepaid every quarter, with shop fittings to cost approximately $10,000. Our equipment, including the POS, phone lines, computers, printers, also costing an additional $10,000. Our advertising expense, as mentioned above, will be on FM radio, billboards, and Facebook, costing approximately $1,200 per month, based on the price of one 15-second radio commercial per week at $150 per ad, and $400 for the other two advertising propositions. Other costs will include supplies such as stationery at $200 a month, utilities another extra $200 a month, and the business insurance will cost approximately $4,000 per year. The salaries for our staff, based on 2 employees, will total at $50,000 combined, or $25,000 each, based on their casual shift rate for covers per annum.
We aim to sell 20,000 units per annum, which equates to 1,666 units per month. We plan to have extra 20% of predicted sales in our inventory. Therefore, we must order 2,000 units for startup at a cost of $35,000. We will also be purchasing a van for $50,000 to move our product from the dock to the house and to the kiosk. This, along with what Janos has mentioned before, we will set up our business with a startup cost of $129,653. Our annual fixed costs are $150,445.40. This means we must sell 6,686 units to break even. According to our figures, this should take approximately 4 to 6 months if our forecasted figures are met. This comes down to selling an average of 4 to 5 bottles per hour based on our trading hours. We have taken into consideration that some loss may occur during winter months, as well as a short period of time after the stocktake sales have finished, but we predict that there will be an incline during summer as well as Christmas trade. We will also be making inquiries with multiple charities to donate 5 cents from each sale to support third world countries from drinkable water. This will be a part of our triple bottom line reporting contribution. Operations are due to start within the next 6 weeks after the current tenants of the lease in the kiosk in Chadstone are finished, and as soon as our fixtures are put in. Our goal is to be up and running by November in time for Christmas trade.